What it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? That ain't nobody but Sumi Sue, about to do this hairdo for you. So if you're interested, stick around and keep on watching. Boo boop.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I have another bombshell for you guys, and I really do like this one. I have absolutely no glue. She's just thrown on because she comes with bangs. Okay, so this is one of those that you can literally throw on and just go. It comes pre-curled, pre-cut. It comes with a little velcro roller in the front, so you can keep your little bang going. Okay, whoopty whoop shibbity boop boop boop. Yes to the accessories, because we love them. Oh, look at that. That's pretty, but I want it feathered out. Okay, because I don't like when it's all up in my eyes, but I do love the bangs. Let's just get right on into it because it is stunning. Today's unit is by Klaiyi. I love this company. They always come through. If you see me work with a company more than once, I'm telling you they have good hair. Like, I love these companies' hair. Today's unit is a 7x5. She is 24 inches and she is stunning. Okay, absolutely stunning. She came pre-curled, pre-cut, pre-everything. I really didn't have to do much to this. The density, stunning. All I did was go in and do a little bit more shaping on. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, I love it. All I did was a little framing for my face. It did come with some layers, but I wanted a little something more. It needed to be more layered in the front, so I did do a little bit of trimming. As for the bangs, I didn't touch the bangs. I just left them alone because I do love the way they have it cut. It is stunning. The hair is silky smooth, straight out of the box, literally thrown on my head, a little bumping up here and there, and we're good to go. And as you can tell, definitely holds a curl. All the specs for this unit will be popping up right here, so make sure you check that out. I really do like this. This is one of those, like I said, it's 7x5, but the construction on the side is really good, really top tier. The bleaching and the lace situation is really nice. I like it. I like it a lot. For not sticking it down, I think that looks really good. Okay, I feel like this is one of those units I just don't need to stick this down because of the bangs, you know, unless I'm pushing it out of my face. But the bangs are cut so short in the front that you definitely just don't have to worry about it, you know. Is that Farrah Fawcett? Stop. She is really pretty. I like this a lot. I love the silkiness of it. I love the curling of it. I like the layering of it. Just really good. Like, I love literally, I love the hair. The hair is really pretty. Everything about it, 10 out of 10, I recommend. Okay, really easy to style too, because if it's one thing about me, I really don't like playing around with curling iron. I don't like sitting with the unit on my head and curling because my hands get tired. But this was actually really easy to curl. Like, it was stunning straight out of the box. So yeah, make sure you check out Klaiyi. Everything will be listed down below, and without further ado, boo-boo, let's just get right on into the styling of the video.
Tell me what you done for me. Spend the
basically all I did. Really pretty, fluffy and airy, but at the same time full of body, and I love body, honey. Give me the body, okay? Give me body. When it comes to my hair, give me body. I don't want no frumpy, flat, none of that. We want, I woke up like this. You see what I'm saying? Like, that's what we want. We don't want none of that other stuff, honey. Like, we need the big density. We need a puffiness. We need the shine. And honey, whoever donated this hair, honey, thank you. Okay, you did what needed to be dude. Okay. I love this. This is so pretty, so effortless. It is just stunning. And having the part situation a little, let me tell you something. That's another thing. Let's just talk about it for a minute. Having the part lifted is so important. Like, I'm gonna be honest, like, I like to see it on other girls, but for myself, when the hair is lifted like that and it's not flat, it looks the best. That's my opinion. Like, the super manicured look is just not for me. I like to see it on the other girls. I think it's cute, you know, ghetto fabulous and all of that. You know how we do when we doing our bust down. But there is something so feminine and so soft when there's a bit of a bump in the parting section, when the hair is not so manicured, when the hair just flows. Look, do you get what I'm saying? Like, compared to having it flattened out like this, and like, no. Bump up the part, make the part flow, honey. Make it flow, you know? Let it flow, boo. Just let yourself glow. Yes, look at that. That's with it pushed back. Oh, that's pretty. Let me go ahead, secure that real quick. That's pretty, even out of my face. Look how beautiful. It's giving Farrah Fawcett. Question, tell me what you think about me. You know what I'm saying? Like, yes. Girl, we're growing out of that now. We need to let that go, you know. And with the bangs that come, and the one system baby hairs, we need to stop. Where it is. Anyway, y'all, let me go ahead and head on out of here because I like this. This is beautiful. Look at the movement. Look at, ooh, this is gorgeous. This, yeah. Klaiyi. Make sure you check them out. Everything will be linked down below. If it's the first time for you to be in here, make sure you subscribe and join the tribe. Okay, we like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here, and we like to give good hair videos. You know what I'm saying? We like to get the girls together because the girls need sometimes the girls need a little bit of help. That's what I'm here for. So share the video. If you see somebody that you know and it's janky and you just looking at them, say, why in the world, first of all, is your lace right here? Why are you going bald over here? Share the video. We helping the girls out, okay? That's what I'm here for. Help me help you, okay? Don't pay me no mind. I need to go and take a break. All right, it's the caffeine. Yeah, like the video, share the video, comment down below. I want to hear from you guys, all of that good stuff. Y'all know the drill. All right, y'all know the drill. And once again, shout outs to Klaiyi for sponsoring today's video. Yes, absolutely yes. Big time yes.